My vlog for today is about our family day, and we chose to eat at JJ Seafood and Restaurant located at Bagumbayan, San Jose, Antique. But before we start, I would like to shout out my Capacios, so here they are.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Antique Imperial Branch. Itong ating mga suki. Hi! Hello guys, shout out sa ating mga friends dyan sa Iloilo.
Kung papapiliin ako, kung mani sa palengke or mani ni Kuya, syempre mani ni Kuya.
Wow!
Subscribe sa Panoy Masyal!
Yes, thank you, thank you. Dito tayo ngayon sa JJ Seafood and Restaurant.
Gambas ang syempre.
Oo, gambas. Ito yung kanilang menu.
Ayun, walang balat mo.
Okay, yun.
After eating, we went to Unitap and let Dio enjoy at the toy section.
Oo, Deo. Yan, walk ka dun, oh. Walk. Sige. Wow. Ano yan? Insect World. Sige, Insect World. Wow. Yes! Another new toy for Deo. Insect World. Billiard table. Wag dyan, Deo. Masira yan. Masira yan. Oh. Butterfly. Insect World. Oh. Butterfly. Okay.
Ano maganda? Ito ba? Ano?
Nauntog si Deo kanina sa may salamin. Akala niya kasi walang salamin. Tumakbo siya papunta kay mama niya. Deo. That's a basketball ring. Basketball ring. Stuffed toy. Stuffed toys yan, Deo. Enjoy si Deo sa toy shop dito sa may Unitap. Bike yan, bike. It's a bicycle. Oh, chinelas mo. Deo, wear your slippers. Oh. Car. Yes. Bawal, bawal.
Nalangan.
Mm-mm. Truck. Truck.
This
That's a fire truck.
ants.
Yes, that's a military truck.
This
Piggy bank, dino bank.
car, toy car.
Yes, car, racing car.
One car.
You want this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Toy.
Mm-mm. Walk there, Deo. That's a hula hoop.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
What's that? It's blocks, building blocks.
I want toy. You want
Okay, okay.
toy?
Oh, it fell down. Dito na, Deo, Deo. Dito.
Department, please visit the back area. Sanitation Department, please visit the back area. Thank you.
Ball. What's that? Balls?
One ball.
Billiard table. Barbell. Dumbbell. String. Chain. Baby stroller. Stroller. For baby. For babies.
This
Hammer. Hammer, you want to... Oh, it's ano. Ah, okay. That's a toy hammer. Mm. That's for girls. For boys. It's a scooter, toy scooter. No, 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 no. That's for adults. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Mm-mm. Deo, your slippers. Ayan, oo. Ayan, bagay kay Deo to. Saan siya man? Slippers mo, Deo. Wear your slippers. Wear your slippers. Wear your slippers. Very good. Baliktad, baliktad. Stand up. Very good.